Hi, this is Tony, the creator of BrainTool, with a quick overview of the 1.0 product, including installing the release candidate version locally. So here I have the local install page. It's got a bunch of details, but basically you're going to download the extension code here via this link. I've downloaded it into this temp directory. It's here, RC extension. I'm going to open that up. So now I have a extension folder. Back in the browser, go to the extensions page. I'm using Brave for this demonstration. So Brave : extensions, or Chrome : extensions, or Edge. Make sure developer mode is turned on, and then you're going to click the load unpacked, which is to load a new extension. And I think, yeah, here we are already. I'm going to grab the extension there, and there we go. I got the welcome page, and up here under the little jigsaw icon is the BrainTool extension. I'm going to click pin to pin that on and start it up. You're going to get a welcome page. It's going to launch. Then there's going to be a set of welcome screens. You can walk through those. You can import bookmarks to the current browser session, but we're going to just get started here. And here we go. The key idea behind BrainTool is that when you're online, you have all these pages and web apps that you need to organize and get back to. Well, with BrainTool, what you do is you assign each of those web pages to a unique topic. You give it a name, and then here in the topic manager, you can manage your topics, and you can have a deep hierarchy, or you can organize these things in whichever way you want, and BrainTool makes it easy to get back to them, and then use those topics to control the browser, as we'll see later. But so what that means is when you're in the browser and you have a page that you want to get back to, you want to save, you just pop up the BrainTool bookmarker here. You can choose one of your existing topics. You just start typing. You'll get type ahead, or you can add a new topic from scratch. And here I'm going to call this BT stuff. I can change the title as it appears in the topic manager. I can add a note, close it out after I've saved it, or just save it. I'm going to just save it here. And you can see now over here in the topic manager, I have a new topic called BT stuff with one saved page. And in the browser, I have a tab group called BT stuff with one tab in that tab group. Now, it's kind of a correspondence between these two things. So I can drag other pages into that or the tabs into that tab group, and they'll show up in the topic manager. I can change the organization. If I change the color, you can kind of see how they align with each other. I can simulate, and it works both directions. I can close this out, open it back up again. And so now kind of we've got this this way of controlling these tabs in the browser via the topic manager. So for example, here I can close them out in the browser, they're gone. I can open them back up in that same page, or I can open them up in a new page. And there we go. One thing to note about BrainTool that's different than some other tools like Tabs Outliner, for example, is that BrainTool only tries to track the pages that you explicitly save into your topic manager. So what that means is, for example, if I'm on this page here and I navigate away to a different site, the tab goes out where I would expect it to go. I'm now on this GitHub page, but you can see that the tab is popped out of the BT stuff tab group, and over in the topic manager, that BrainTool philosophy page is no longer shown as open. So what that means is I can navigate around, I can save the page, the explicit URL that I want to save, and then move on, kind of safe in the knowledge that it's saved away in my topic manager over here. The topic manager in BrainTool is where you do most of your work. From here, you can open tabs, close the tabs, open groups of tabs in a new window or in the same window, and generally control your browser with ease. You can do most things with the mouse, but there's a set of keyboard commands also, which you can get documentation of down in the help section. For example, the numbers 1 through 9 will collapse the hierarchy to that level of indentation. You can see if I look at my personal BrainTool, which I have in a different browser, you can see that can be handy. Similarly, on when a particular topic is selected, the tab key can expand and collapse. BrainTool has the notion of a selected row. I'm going to go back here. You can see green is the row that is selected. that's the item that the keyboard commands will operate on. So for example, here, if I hit E, it will bring up the editor, and I can change the label or the URL or add some notes. Now let's take a look at organizing the tree and finding stuff. So I got this BT stuff topic here that we just added, and let's say, for example, it's some kind of work project. I want to move it into my work stuff, so I can just grab it with the mouse and move down. You can see here I'm seeing a little indicator as to where it's going to drop. So I can add it here. It's going to show up between admin and HR budget, and there we go. Now it's dropped into place. Similarly, I mentioned before. Keyboard commands. So if I hold down, so I can go up and down with the keyboard commands. If I hold down the Option key while I'm using the up and down arrows, I can move. See if I'm moving that finance item now wherever I want to put it on the tree. So that's moving stuff around. And then searching. So the S or slash or S or slash key, or just click up here in the search bar, and the search will start from the selected item, so if I'm going to search for, say, the term just TO, you can see the first hit here is in references. There's the TO P. So now I'm looking for topic, and then you can see topic tree. And if I hit down arrow, I'll cycle through. I hit the bottom, there's no more, so I cycle through back to the top again. So you can see here I'm kind of working my way through, and actually that's where it's going back to. You can see that the contractor search topics hit there, opened up that tree to show you the match. And then when I get to the point of the topic that I'm looking for, or the page I'm looking for, so here I have the public topic trees, I just hit return or enter. That selects the item, and then because of the keyboard commands, if I hit enter again, that will open that topic up, so you can that page up. So you can see it's kind of a handy way of quickly finding what you want and opening it up in the browser. Finally, worth mentioning in this little demo are the settings up here at the top. You can see there's a set of things you can choose that will customize the look and feel, but of interest might be the compact view, and then turning off the notes. So you can see that allows me to fit a lot more. And if I use my keyboard commands to open up the tree to its maximum amount, you can see here that I can fit a lot more information into a pretty small space, and still have a totally usable topic manager. So give it a try and let us know what you think, either by email or on the BrainTool discussion group. Thanks.